welcome to this video, guys. In this video we are gonna go for a little ride with the new turbo. We're gonna do some pulls. I don't want to get crazy because I don't know if you can see outside, but it's kinda, you're gonna see, it's very wet and it's not freezing today, but you know, we're not gonna get crazy. But before we start, I want to talk about this guy. His name is Parker, and I don't know if you guys saw, he got burned big time on the Freedom Factory, or it's a racetrack from another YouTuber. He's a very big YouTuber and he bought a track, and this kid was there doing a burnout. His radiator, which is in the trunk, something happened with the hoses or the radiator. It fell off, and he was doing the burnout and he got burned big time. It's second or third degree, and he was in a hospital for a while. So I wanna say a couple of things. One, he has a GoFundMe, and you know, if you guys can go there, I'm gonna put his GoFundMe in here. Now is December 2020, so the thing is still happening. There's just one update saying that he went to the hospital yesterday. Yeah, so this is him. Of course, this was when he got to the hospital, and his wife, his name is Parker and his wife is Paige. So yeah, if you guys can donate, it doesn't matter what dollar, $5, you know. I think anything would help him, anything on his situation. It's not even about the car anymore, you know, even though he loves what he does, you know, he puts smiles on everybody because he does like sick burnouts. But I just want to bring to the point, you know, this car here, for example, it was built on a budget, and I have coilovers, I have, you know, other stuff. One thing that we take for granted is we need to be sure that, you know, safety first. And I had the BMW, as you guys saw. I don't know if you guys saw the video. I was doing pulls and, you know, going pretty fast, pretty quick, as I was tuning, and something on my front wheel fell off and my angle kit, so the wheel was just open. And just did that when I finished my run, and then turned on one of the streets, was going slow, and I heard a clunk, and I stopped the car, and just to realize that the thing was off. So I could have died, you know. And so it's just like it's a warning, you know, a wake-up call to all of us that you know, pay attention to what you're doing. Be sure that you're not doing anything stupid and unsafe, because if you get hurt is one thing too, which is already bad, but if you get hurt and get someone else hurt, that's terrible, right? So yeah. And I also thought about putting my radiator on the trunk, and I don't know why. I think I just didn't do it because I didn't feel like getting all the hoses and putting the hoses right here, because I thought, wow, if it explodes, it's gonna explode on me. But I also thought it will never explode. I've never seen this. So, you know, we just did with the kid, and he's in very, very bad situation, legs bleeding and all that stuff happening. So anyway, just want to bring that up. We're gonna go for a ride now. I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna first start the car, and we're gonna start this. And thank you guys, appreciate it so far. All right, so let's try. Oh wow, sounds so different. Oh, it got lean there, great. We're gonna catch it. Got Lino, got Rich. All right. Dang, this sounds much better. All right. Just some choo-choo noises.
Choo-choo noises, because we're in a train?
This, yeah, it's just choo-choo-choo-choo-choo.
Oh.
But this is not, it's not going to be as exciting as the BMW.
Okay.
But
is it doing the choo-choo noises?
That's coming from the turbo. It's just joking.
So it's like a...
Yeah, like... It didn't do yet. Okay, ready?
Oh my god, I don't like this not having power steering. Nice!
Isn't it cool?
Yeah.
That's it.
We're not gonna go sliding around any corners
This is front wheel drive.
scare the crap out of me.
Let's see. I have turn signal though. Look.
Oh good, we have a turn signal. So happy for us.
Oh wow. It's much faster than the other turbo.
Yeah. How fast are you going there? Oh great.
Mexico is awesome.
We're going to jail. Your turn signal's still on.
Oh.
Look, it works.
Okay, we're gonna turn back in here.
Okay, we're not drifting, are we?
No, there's no drifting in this car.
Okay.
This is a front wheel drive.
Okay.
There's no way.
Okay. Good.
We can put the e-brake though.
No! No! No!
There you go. You ready?
Are there cars coming? Oh my god. Marcos? Oh my gosh.
Ready?
Can you like get a radar detector in here?
Yeah, I have. Look.
Such a dork. Holy moly.
Yeah.
Is this the car you took my dad in, or was it the BMW?
No, that was BMW.
Oh, okay.
Point it here. See what happens there. Ready? Now. Yeah. I think it's fast, but it's not. It's not like the BMW.
Yeah, but you have a lot of room with the RPMs, right?
Yeah.
That's cool.
There you go. You survived 2 rides with me.
I survived 2 rides. I'm a champion.
There you go. All right, did a few runs with my sister-in-law again, and it is exciting, but it's not as exciting as a BMW. So you gotta ride on this car first, and then the BMW. So I'm gonna go for one more run, get one more log, and then we're gonna go from there. Let's get a little log just in case. Yeah, so power steering is working perfectly. New turbo is pulling like a champ. I love the noise, like 2500 I can hear a little bit. 3000 RPM, the thing is ready to roll, and it's almost nothing because this car, the red line starts at 7,000, so I can stretch 7.5, 8.5. Yeah, look, you can hear like the whistle, like. Then anywhere I go that's a little high has fog. Check it out. So I'm gonna try to avoid. Well, even though it's hot, so it should be fine. But anyway, yeah, the first time I'm just enjoying my Eclipse. This is amazing. And thanks to you guys for watching all of this. You know, it's buying a $500 car, which was running, and you know, changing into what it is today. I guess I just did all of it because first I want to learn, and second I had a lot of incentive. You know, it's like, what are you doing? Why are you doing? Do it, you know. And I think those are one of the best things. The worst thing that can happen to you is your self-doubt, yourself, your skills, because we all have those, you know. We just choose to learn it or not. And I guess, you know, cars are my passion, and I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of people out there that have cars as their passion, and they are afraid of doing stuff because they think, oh, I don't know how to do it. So, you know, I didn't know either. I didn't know anything. I bought my first parts. You can see my video replacing the spark plugs on this car for the first time. I saw a spark plug with the center part very, very thin, and I thought, wow, look at that, it got burned out. Look how it is. And it's just kind of a spark plug. So I didn't even know the different types of spark plugs. So I mean, that tells you something, you know. From that to have a car running, and not just that, tuning the car, I'm pretty sure I can do better, you know. A professional can do much better than me, but I still have a little bit of work to do. But you know, here's going to snow, look at snow everywhere, and I just won't have time to do much more than what I already did. So yeah, let me enjoy a little bit more of my ride. And all right, just after a few pulls and you know, driving just a little bit for fun, it's time to put some gas, and it's half tank done, which is a good sign. We're drinking a lot of gas. And check it out, everything looks great. Everything, I can't touch anything, but everything seems to be tight. I'm gonna try to tighten those bolts again. Yeah, look at the belt. Belt is firm. This thing here was a little off, but yeah, it is good. It is in place. I'm sure I'm leaking air from here. I gotta maybe change that manifold. I just don't want to spend $500 on this thing right now. Yeah, and I guess, yeah, everything else seems to be good. And that's pretty much it, guys. For the first time, I was able to enjoy the car. Took my sister-in-law for a ride. Her reaction's the best. So yeah, I just want to show you that. Don't forget to look at Parker's GoFundMe. I'm not much into sharing this GoFundMe stuff, and you know, I guess when people want to donate or help, they just go and do it. But I'm being a car guy, I just feel the need of help the guy, even though I don't know him, but I know he's a nice guy. I don't know him personally, but I've seen his stuff, I've seen everything. So Alright, boys. And if you guys want me to, I'll make a video with the rundown. I'm not quite sure how much I spent on this. I can get close, but I'll do a rundown on what is everything, what I've done, what is the bar, what is the cylinder, camshaft, and all that stuff. Show the interior, so you guys can see, and you know, it's always good to see and have ideas. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell button. There's a lot more to come. This is going away for the winter probably. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do something in the garage, but there's a new car coming. I need to open space in the garage, and maybe I'll have space for this one too, because I also need to do some stuff on the car. And later.